Welcome to course number 5. This course is designed for students at the JLPT level 5 or equivalent. An actual course is divided into 4 areas, like JLPT's course. Okay? Number 1, 言語知識、文字 and 語彙, letters and vocabularies. This is covered in the first week. And likewise, the second week covers grammar, the third week covers reading, and the fourth week covers listening. You can get one free private lesson by Skype with me. Alright, so every month you will receive that one free private lesson. That one comes with your membership. You can email me or text me with lots of questions. And I will reply to you, definitely reply to you within 48 hours. Okay? So now, today I'm going to record, I'm recording the demo of the actual lesson, weekly lesson. Okay, so don't think this is the actual lesson. Okay, it's just like a fraction of the actual lesson. And this time, a sample of first week, letters and vocabularies, right? The first week. Then we are gonna go over this example together. カッコに何を入れますか ?1234 から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。佐藤さんはギターを上手に something. Mr. Sato, something, the guitar. Very well. Of course, this one is ギターを弾きます。Any musical instrument, especially the strings, that's 弾きます in Japanese. You can use play for the whatever the musical instruments. Yeah, just with one word, play, but not in Japanese. You have to change the verbs. So now, 弾きます for the string. That is what is used here. Number 1 is 歌います sings. Number 2, 聞きます listens to. Number 4, 遊びます. This is another meaning of plays in Japanese. Okay, so this one, number 3 is the answer. But what if? What if? The question is different from the original one. Like this. よしこさんはとても上手に something. かっこ。So we are done with number 3. 弾きます。ギターを弾きます。So this time, number 1, 歌います sings. Or number 2, 聞きます listens to. Or 遊びます play in the park. Kind of 遊びます Which one would you choose? And this one, よしこさんは、よしこ。The girl's name, よしこ。とても上手に something. And there is no object there. There is no object. That's why you have to choose something with no object. So, in this case, 歌います sings. That is the case here. Yoshiko sings very well, straightforwardly. Okay, this is the answer. よしこさんはとても上手に歌います。Not よしこさんはとても上手に聞きます。とても上手に聞く。It doesn't make any sense, but even so, there is no object for 聞きます。That's why 2番, number 2, you cannot choose. Number 4, 遊びます。よしこさんは上手に What does she play? Chess? It could be, but that is not the case here. That's why you have to choose 歌います。That this doesn't need any object here. There is no object in the sentence. What if, again, the different question? The choices are the same, okay? Choices are the same, but the question is different. 日曜日にはクラシック音楽を something. So in this case, on Sundays, 日曜日には that means on Sundays, 日曜日にはクラシック音楽を something. So this person, every Sunday, this person クラシック音楽を Obviously, this is the object marker. So クラシック音楽を or what verb would be the most appropriate here. 聞きます。クラシック音楽を聞きます。Okay, that's why probably this meaning of this question is I listen to the classic music on Sundays. So, 聞きます。In this case, number 2 is the answer, not number 3. Okay? クラシック音楽。You cannot 弾く。Okay? You cannot 弾くクラシック音楽。No. You have to choose 聞きます listens to. And obviously, in this case, this person doesn't play any games or the musical instrument. That's why you cannot choose number 4. Now, what if? Again, another question, another sentence. うちの息子は太郎くんとよく something. うちの息子 my son は太郎くん太郎 boy's name probably the boy in the neighborhood or classmate we don't know but よく what does he do with 太郎 now 遊びます plays number 4 should be the answer right here 太郎くんと遊びます。よく遊びます。よく here means often or very often. Probably every day. After school or during the summer vacation. Whatever. Very often, my son and Taro are good friends. So they play together. Outside or inside. It doesn't matter. よく遊びます。So in this case, what you have to be careful is play in English covers for 弾きます play the guitar, play the violin, all those things. And also genuinely 遊びます 遊びます in the park, 遊びます outside, 遊びます in the backyard, 遊びます somewhere else, and those things are all covered by 遊びます play. In English, all same, but in Japan, you have to choose the meaning. You have to choose the right word for the meaning because there are a lot of vocabularies which is covered with the English play. So now, this is the example. The merits of this system includes, like those things with the billet. Usually you are going over, like this, 3 to 5 questions in each session with extra questions like this. By drilling this way, you will learn each vocabulary in a particular situation. Since you memorize vocabularies in a particular context, it is very hard for you to forget the meanings of vocabularies. because all those vocabularies you learn in one particular question, they all are related to each other. So, okay, I remember that when this particular word is used and other particular word often came with that word. That way, it's easy for you to memorize a lot of vocabularies at the same time. That would be the merits. Next, you can solidify your newly learned knowledge through your monthly one-on-one session with me. You can ask as many questions as you want to, and you can solidify that way. And you can apply that knowledge to the next level kind of question. You can prepare for the next level. And that way, you don't have to worry about the test anymore. Okay? So this is the end of this demo lesson. And please sign up and see you over there.